Now this illustration deals with the grounding electrode conductor connection location. Now, if we are installing a high impedance grounding system at the transformer, as you see illustrated, you notice how it's connected. The XO from the Y on that secondary side of that transformer is routed through the high impedance unit. It is connected to earth ground and then routed through the conduit to the equipment, as you see there. And then notice you do not connect the equipment to ground there. It's all grounded back to the high impedance ground. If you try to ground the unit there too, as you see in the service equipment, if you tried to ground it to the structural steel, you could get a bad sensitizing effect between the high impedance ground and that connection to ground that could cause a lot of problems. So the note just basically says, based upon the 2020 NEC, the same requirement applies for a separately derived system per 250.36F, as well as for over 1,000 volt systems in accordance with 250.187 A1 through A4 that we'll get into on down the line. But right here, we're just dealing with 250.36F, showing there's just one location in a high impedance ground connected to the earth, and that's at the transformer through the high impedance ground, and that's what our figure 16-63 is illustrating to the electrician. Be sure you don't ground two in the building where that main bonding jumper is connecting the equipment bar and the neutral bar together.